Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new, my name's Lydia. Today I'm doing this little everyday glam get ready with me makeup and outfit. Just get straight on into it. I really hope you guys enjoy. I might put a jacket on because I'm actually pretty cold right now. Just sat here like not moving about. I'd just like to quickly say thank you to Boomba for working with me on this part of the video. Boomba sell multiple different stick-on bras, tapes, all that kind of fun stuff. They do certain ones that, you know, like make your boobs look bigger and add a cup size or two. I don't really want to add a cup size, I more just want the lift. They do the Ultra Boost and Demi Boost, which will add a cup size, and the inserts that I've got is the invisible lift inserts. So you pop the insert onto the inside of your clothing and then scoop your boob in and press down and it will create that nice lift. I just feel comfortable in the amount of lift that there is. You can use this inside clothing, bras. If you see the before and after, you will just see how insane the lift is. Now let's get on into the makeup. Starting off with brows, I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Styling Wax. I'm not too sure what kind of makeup look I want to do today. I kind of just want to do like an everyday glam, I think. And then I'm also going to pop through the end of my brows the NYX Lift and Snatch brow pen and brow pencil. I'm also using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Espresso, just through the mids and the fronts of my brows, just to add a tiny bit more dimension there. I'm then just going to conceal under my brows with the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C5. This one is the one that's like similar to my skin tone, so I prefer to use this one under the brows. I don't like going too bright under the brows. I also just take this down onto my eyelid as well, just to create like a seamless base for the eyeshadow to go onto. For primer, I'm just taking my Milk Hydra Grip Primer. Absolutely love this primer. I feel like it's like the only one I found that can fully grip my makeup on. Like the combo of this with the Urban Decay All Night Setting Spray is just like elite. While we're here, I'm just going to put on some lip balm. This is just the Laneige one. Of course, using my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, just as a little base. I'm yet to try the e.l.f. one. I really want to try it. Every time I go to buy it's out of stock in the shades I want to buy. And just like look at that glow. Like I will never not love this stuff. But I do really want to try the e.l.f. one because I've heard such good things. And I think if that's like an affordable dupe, then we're on to a winner. Foundation. I'm going to use my NARS Light Reflecting Foundation in Barcelona. The only thing that bothers me about NARS foundations is how small the pumps are. Like I wish you just got more product in each pump so you didn't have to pump like 4 things on your face. Also, the reason I like do the pumps directly on my face is I cannot stand the feeling of like products on my fingers. I'm fully aware that it's way easier to pop your foundation on your hand and then blend it in. It just means you don't use more product than you actually need. I'm going to pop some liquid concealer on as liquid bronzer contour. This is the L'Oreal Infallible concealer. The shade is actually rubbed off. That's quite a nice like warm shade. I really like warm bronzers. I've just popped it a bit higher than the hollow of my cheekbone because, like I said, this is to bronze more than contour. I've also been taking my contour kind of down to my jaw like this because I have quite a square jaw, so it's just to elongate it. I really want to try the Beauty Crop liquid bronzer. It looks amazing. I honestly need to do a big fat makeup order. Maybe I'll do like testing new products or something. And then I'm just going to go in with my Cocoa Cosmetics Marshmallow Sponge and just make sure that's completely blended out. And then for concealer under my eyes, I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealers again in the shades C3 and C5. C3 I just like to take right in that inner corner and then literally right where the dark bit is and then right on the outer corner. Just because this is the brightest shade, I feel like putting it on those parts of my face is really going to lift. And then C5 I pop on more where my darkness is. C3 I pop on the tip of my nose. Again, want that part to be the brightest. I just try and take this down the sides of my nose a little bit as well, just to really contour into the sides of my nose a little bit. I then just take one of these mini sponges and just start to blend that all together as well. Blush, I'm going to take my Made by Mitchell blush in the shade Can't Cope with Coral. I really want to try, is it Marshmallow, is that what it's called? Like the really light pink one, and there's a couple of other shades that I really want to try. I blend this in with a brush because I've done it with a sponge before and then found it really hard to get out the sponge because the staying power of these is incredible. I'm also just taking this kind of more into that concealer just for that like seamless blend. Powders, I'm going to use two from Revolution. Is that Revolution XX Revolution brand? Both are in the shade Translucent as well. The pressed powder I'm just going to pop under my eyes and down the sides of my nose as well, and then dusting the loose powder over the remainder of my face just really lightly, and then to contour just slightly under my cheekbones I'm going to use the NARS Summer Unrated Blush and Bronzer Duo. The bronzer shade is in Casino, which is just a really nice shade just for like more of a contour for me. Like I don't want to go too ham on the contour, but just want to add like a little bit more dimension that that powder has maybe taken away. And then also taking the blush from this palette, which is Orgasm X. It's like Orgasm but just, in my opinion, more pigmented and like a little bit brighter. For eyes, I'm actually using this NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. I'm just going to take some of this darker brown shade down here and literally just pop that right on my outer corner. And this of course does not have to be perfect, we are going to blend this out. Also just taking it slightly on the lower lash line as well, just to blend, and then just blending this out with a fluffy brush. I'm then taking this more mid warm brown shade in the middle, just popping that just all over the lid. I'm then taking the darker warm brown shade up here and just popping that just on my outer corner just to blend that darker shade up into the brow bone, but to just keep most of the depth like on the outer corner. I'm then going into the black and just popping that just as like a little wing on my top waterline. I really like doing this for like everyday glam because it's like you still have that dark wing and dark lash line, but it's a bit more soft and subtle at the same time. Also, if you struggle with eyeliner, eyeshadow as eyeliner is a really good place to start because it's a lot easier and a lot easier to clean up if you do make a mistake. Next, just curling my lashes and applying the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push Up Mascara. For today's lashes, I'm going to use the Tatty Lashes in Cali Vibe. Just really like these because I've got like a darker lash line and just like a more wispy lash throughout. I'm also trying out the Tatty Lashes Lash Glue. I always use the Duo latex free one, but last time I used this it was really good and it didn't water my eyes, which a lot of lash glues do. These are quickly going to become some of my favourite lashes. Oh my god, these lashes are so cute. For lips, I'm going to do a Sheer Glam combo. If you want to see my full opinions on their makeup, that video is coming up soon, so just stay tuned for that. I'm going to go in with their lip liner, their So Lippy lip liner. This is either in the shade Brown or Toasted, but it doesn't actually say on the actual lip pen, which is a bit annoying. For the actual lips, I'm using the Sheer Glam liquid lipstick in Sugar. I'm just going to pop a tiny bit of concealer in the centre of my lips just to cool it a little bit. It's quite warm, that colour is. Setting spray, I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter, one of my all-time favourites. I will never not love this, but I do want to try a couple of other ones because I have used this for years. I also cover up my eyes when I do setting spray as best as I can because I find that it can like affect the lash glue while it's still drying or my mascara from running. So, and for my outfit, my completed outfit, my corset is from Zara and my cargos are from Bershka Men's. I have had these cargos for so long now and just never worn them, so if I can link something similar and find something similar, I will link it below. For jewellery, my name necklace is from Abbott Lion and my other two are from H&M. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a little bit different for me. I don't usually do like full get ready with me, I usually just do makeup or outfits, so it's nice to do something all together. Again, I will leave links down to the Boomba inserts and the specific one that I used as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you guys next week for a brand new video. Bye guys.